Horses out. We have Grace Parkboy pass to begin. Danari inside. Pedro Benduco. Color My World. Mind Music moving up. Suprari outside. Is step on the gas. Then comes Formidable Ella alongside Perfection. Northern Arrow. Danari inside. Queen moving up on the outside. Now is Tarap Manel Red Hot Water. Then running at the tail of the field is Interceptor. Going along for the first turn, Color My World and Grace Parkboy fighting it out for the lead. Two lengths away in third, moving up Supra. In between horses is Star of Manel. Then comes Pedro Benduco in fifth, is Step on the Gas 6. Seventh, Mind Music. Northern Arrow moving up on the outside, Perfection. Formidable Ella, Queen, Red at Water and Interceptor in the order. Entering the fourth turn, Grace Parkboy, Color My World, and here comes his Star of Manel. Now trying to get closer in third, Supra in fourth. Then comes Pedro Benduco, moving up Mind Music, is step on the gas. Grace Parkboy, Bayanalenga, moving up on the outside now is Star of Manel. As they come down at the last 150, Grace Parkboy, Bayanalenga, is Star of Manel is on the outside, but it's still Grace Parkboy, is Star of Manel on the outside. Grace Parkboy is still in front by about 3 lengths over Star of Manel, and finally Grace Parkboy is Star of Manel, Pedro Benduco, Color My World, then comes Formidable Ella Supra.
Ayun, 6, 7, 5, 3, 10, 8.
Eight.
Ayun, forecast natin.